Hey guys, this is Gurleen Bhatia and welcome to the first video of this channel. I'm going to be making a series of Python tutorials for absolute beginners who have no prior background in programming. If you're someone who's looking for something more advanced, hopefully some of my later videos would help you. We are going to start by having a look at the programming language called Python. It's the best language in my opinion to start coding in. It's extremely simple to write algorithms without having to worry too much about the syntax, unlike in more verbose languages like Java and C++. The syntax of Python is really close to the pseudocode, which means that the keywords you use to write your code will resemble the normal spoken English language, making it a lot easier to comprehend and understand algorithms. In this video, I'm going to help you write your very first program, the Hello World program. The program will simply display the words hello and world on your screen. To do this, I'm first going to open my Python IDE. For those of you who don't know this, IDE stands for an Integrated Development Environment. The one that I'm using is a fairly basic one called idle, and it's basically a text editor with Python on which I can write and run my code. I'll attach a download link for idle in the description below. Once you have idle downloaded, open it and you should see a window like this. Now go to File and select New File. The program we are going to write is a simple one-liner. So type print hello world like this. Now you might be wondering what's going on over here. Basically, we are using a function called print, which is already defined in Python for us. A function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and make your code reusable. In conclusion, it saves the developer's time in the sense that you don't have to write the same code over and over again every time you want to perform the same task. A function may take an input from you, in this case it's hello world, do something to it and output something of use to you. Functions that you don't have to define and are already provided by the language are called built-in functions. Now that we've written our code, first let's save it by going into File and selecting Save. Now I'm going to call this Hello World, but you can choose to call it anything. Just make sure that you don't modify this .py bit. Once you've done that, enter save. Now I've already got one because I was practicing for this video, but I'm just going to say replace. Now we want to run this program, so we're going to go into run and select run module, and we see the words hello world being displayed over here correctly, just as we expected. Now this is a string that Python is outputting to us. A string is one of many data structures or data types that are available to us. I'll talk more about these in my next video, so stay tuned in by subscribing to this channel. Pop in any questions you may have about this video in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.